Okay, I just changed the oil for the third time on this. This method will prevent you from starting the engine without oil in the filter, which is, not really the best thing for the engine or the turbo bearing. I need my foot on the accelerator all the way and on the brake. And you go to start the car until the oil light goes out. Well, it's not exactly what I meant to do, but I think it worked. You heard it hesitating to start for a little bit. So I don't think I did that properly because I let it start. I think I was supposed to just let it crank. I'll try it one more time. Foot's on the accelerator all the way. Foot's on the brake. All right. Well, that's the clear flood mode. Foot on the accelerator all the way. Foot on the brake. You hit the start button. Let it do its thing. And then to stop it, you'll push the start button again. Thank you, John Matthews.